and to be part of history as in 18th year of our journey. Now, our host is intuitive enough to have mentioned a lot of stuff with regards to our industry, with regards to our business, with regards to our network. You always have an option. Choose. You have always have an option to choose whatever endeavor there might be, whether offline or online, whether focus sa prospects sa Philippines or OFW, whether prospects sa Filipinos or ibang lahi. Pag ibang lahi, West Africa or East Africa. Pag Filipinos na OFW, US or Europe, there's always a lot of options to ponder. Always a lot of options to take part in a certain journey. For the past 18 years, yung option sa akin, hindi ganun. Because I know the path. Mag-i-international, mag-OFW, mag-i-expand, mag-i-innovate. It's always automated na sa isipan ko, sa galaw ng katawan ko, how to manage people, how to give directions. Like this very moment, who would ever thought na sa top 500 ngayon ay mas madami ang mga Bisaya kaysa mga Tagalog? Makingay naman ang mga Bisaya. During the first few years when we were doing our gala night, majority, 80-90%, Metro Manila. May mga ilan-ilan na pumupunta from Cebu, from Bohol, from Cagayan de Oro, from Davao, mangilan-ngilan. Yun yung ginamit kong term. Who would ever thought that people from the Visayas, from the Mindanao area, would come here by plane, by boat, by bulk? And according to the data we have right now, amongst the top 500, roughly 55 to 60% Visayas, Mindanao. Kaya nga nakakatuwa eh. We have a program. We started this sometime 3-4 months ago. Gusto namin yung mga leaders sa Visayas, Mindanao, sinulat pa nga namin sa whiteboard eh. Pinicturean pa namin. Pinakita namin sa mga top leaders ng Visayas, Mindanao. Gusto namin na kayo na taga Cebu, taga Cagayan de Oro, taga Mindanao, while you're doing your network, kung tumapos man yung network nyo sa Metro Manila, and we expect na hindi ka naman pupunta ng Metro Manila every week. Tama o tama? Eh, hayaan nyo kami na ang mag-alaga doon sa grupo nyo. Kaya nga yung grupo ni Tita Flor, nasa ba si Tita Flor? Ayan, yung mahiwagang grupong IPNCI LGBTQ UFC. Kung naumabot na ng Metro Manila, di ba Del? Umabot na ng Metro Manila, every so often, once a week, may mentoring sa head office. So can you imagine, yung pinaka-apply nasa Cebu. Pero yung network niya na umabot na ng Metro Manila, naalagaan ng Project High, naalagaan ng company, and we want the same thing to happen sa Elites Empire. Kasi marami din kayong tao sa Metro Manila. We want it also to happen sa Extreme, sa ED. Kasi yung ingay din yan, hindi ako maniniwalang wala kayong Metro Manila group. At yung sumasabog na grupong Explosion. Can you imagine, nasa Dusit Hotel ako, kamitin ko yung isang partner natin na Nigerian, may lumapit na 3 teacher sa akin. Nagpa-picture. Sabi ko, kaninong grupo kayo? Explosion. At siyempre, yung mahiwagang grupong Atomic International. I'm sure marami din kayong grupo sa Metro Manila. Allow us to serve you guys. Habang nasa Cebu, Cagayan de Oro, Mindanao, Visayas kayo, eh may grupo sa Metro Manila naman kayong private, whether online or offline, makausap namin sila once or twice a week sa head office to impart them some mentoring, some leadership strategies para mas maging productive kayo. It's a choice for me to see this as an opportunity. Pwede namang, edi bayaan mo si Tita Flo pumunta ng Manila every week. Hayaan mo si Pearl pumunta ng Metro Manila every week. Hayaan mo si Earl, si Albert, diba? Si Bon, pumunta ng Metro Manila every week. But that would be hard. Ang laki rin ng grupong binabalansin nyo sa Visayas at Mindanao. Tama o tama? But it's a choice for us to see this as an opportunity para matulungan kayo. We always have a choice. And I choose to believe. To believe na yung grupo nyo kahit saan nagsimula, tatagos ng Metro Manila. Tatagos uli ng Visayas, Mindanao. Tatagos uli ng ibang bansa. And I choose to believe that it will grow. And if it grows, sama-sama tayong makikinabang. Because that's my job. To keep the company growing. When we started AIM Global lang. Kagabi ang pagkita na AIM Global Group of Companies. Kasi may empowered consumerism na. Meron ng OVI. Meron ng matching. Meron ng Bully Burger. Marami pang ibang brands. We have product lineups. Iba-iba. May iGlow series. Mr. Patrick and I had a long meeting a few days ago. We were contemplating of gummies na trending sa Korea at sa US. Anong klaseng gummies? Basta gummies. Gummies na pang-relax, gummies na pang-energize, gummies na pang-patulog, gummies na pang-focus. Kasi mas madaling i-take ang gummies kaysa capsule. Ang gummies parang food na madaling kainin. So madali ang registration, madaling i-deliver, and they have the facility to do that. So we keep on innovating when it comes to the product. We keep on innovating when it comes to the system. You guys kept on innovating about online platform. Kanya-kanya. May iba focusing on lifestyle, may iba focusing on the business side, may iba focusing on certain government employees. At the end of the day, you guys are all producing sales. Sales contributing to this company's bottom line. And this is the part where we honor each and every one of you. Why? Because I choose to believe. At may regalo kami sa inyo na sana may up maya-maya. Can you show this video? Panoorin niyo guys.
Good morning! Eto, good news! Sodexo, nandito na! Kaya lahat SE Prime, GE at GE Prime of January 2024, pwede nang mag-click-click na! At ito, kita tayo para sa release ng Sodexo sa Wednesday, June 12, holiday happening araw na yan. Kaya napakaganda magpunta sa office para ma-release ang Sodexo mo. Makita tayo ng 1 p.m. sa 3rd floor. Power for Sodexo to come!
So before, pag nag-release ng Sodexo, per position, SE muna. After a few months, SE Prime. After a few months, distributor. After a few months, GE. Ngayon, 4 na ranks kagad. 4 na ranks kagad. SE, SE Prime, GE, GE Prime. Kung yan ang position mo noong January 2024, maya-maya lang, bago matapos itong gabing to, pwede ka na mag-click and claim sa head office sa June 12, Independence Day. So, hapot day yan. Magandang malawakang hapot day yan. Arnel, anong oras yung OPP natin yan? 6 p.m. Training o hapot day na OPP? OPP, LTOP yan. Bakasyon eh. So isipin nyo, ang daming magiging guest. Ano yung mga Sodexo na yun na pinamimigay? We choose to believe rather than quit. We choose to fight rather than bayaan mo na yung babash na yan. Kaya kagabi, ang dami kasing nakarating na balita eh. Nakakatawa na lang eh. Ang liit-liit na kumpanya, kung manira sa atin, grabe. Sabi ko, yung maliit na kumpanya yan, yung may-ari niyan sa atin din galing eh. Yung milyon na kinita yan, para itayo sa company yan, sa aim din galing. Tapos ang kapal ng mukha, magsasabi, ay wala niyan, pabagsak na yan. Paano mo sasabihin yun? Diba? Paano mo sasabihin yun? When you see people traveling with BGI, when you see the payout, guys, in-announce ko na kagabi, hindi ko lang alam kung na-retain o nag-traction sa isipan nyo. Sabi ko, starting June 10. Today is June 10. Am I right? Yes. Daily Bibo DRB. Bago ko pumunta dito, kausap kong IT, sabi ko, ilan na ang nag-click ng direct referral? Tawa ng tawa yung IT namin eh. Sabi ko, tatatlo pa lang. Tatatlo pa lang. Parang nasanay na yata doon sa twice a week. Nasanay na rin ng click ng Tuesday, kuha ng Tuesday. Friday, kuha ng Friday. Nakakalimutan. Pwede na pala ako mag-click araw-araw pag may direct referral ako. Pag may direct referral ka, i-click mo na, bukas na sa Bibo mo na. So inuulit ko, inform everyone, Daily Bibo DRB. Meron siyang button kapag may direct referral ka. Pwede mo nang i-click. Going back to Sodexo, inuna lang muna natin yung SE Prime, GE Prime. Para doon sa mga distributor, GA at GA Prime, konting antay lang. Okay? Konting antay lang. Why? We choose to give, we choose to innovate, we choose to expand. You always have an option. Pwede kang mag-quit. Pwede mong sabihin, ayaw mo na. Pwede mong sabihin, pagod na ako. Pwede mong sabihin, suko ka na. Pero ako, I choose to believe. I choose to believe and say, hey, we're not just an ordinary company. We don't have just ordinary employees. We don't have ordinary distributors. I choose to believe we are an extraordinary company. We have extraordinary employees. And we have extraordinary millionaires and multi-millionaires among us. We have extraordinary products. We have extraordinary marketing plan. We have an extraordinary journey. Daming storya. Iba-iba. Ang ending lahat extraordinary. That's why I believe 18 years ago, kung nakita niyo yung video ko on our first year, sabi ko, I had a dream of putting up a company and making it known on an international scale. Second, third, fourth year pa lang, nakapag-expand na sa iba't ibang mga bansa. 8th year, 9th year, 10th year, nakarating ng Middle East, Africa. Ngayon, sunod-sunod ang pagbubukas natin sa African continent. Ngayon, may New Zealand pa. Within the next few months, may UK, London pa. Guys, the reason we keep on growing, the reason we keep on innovating, because we believe that we can do it. On your end, kung naniniwala ka, online o offline man yan, lalaki at lalaki. Lalaki at lalaki. Lalaki at lalaki. We've been brainstorming for the past 3 months. Dati MOA, ang ang dali-daling punuin. Magre-release ng ticket 2 days bago event. Galit-galit pa, away-away pa. Donna, 3,000 ang hinihingi ko, ba't 700 lang binigay mo? Kailangan po mabigyan lahat. Donna, 1,000 ang binili ko, ba't 200 lang binigay mo? Kailangan po mabigyan lahat. Nowadays, post-pandemic, everybody's online. Ang nire-recruit, ang binibentahan, people outside the Philippines, OFW. So dumadami tayo, pero yung pagdami wala sa Pilipinas. Nasa labas ng Pilipinas. And I told my team, we will make it away. Babalik ang panahon, pupunuin natin ang Marikina. Babalik ang panahon, pupunuin uli natin ang Philippine Arena. We will create projects here. Project Metro Manila. May mapa-online ka, may mapa-offline ka, I tell you, dadami tayo sa Metro Manila. Pag dumami tayo sa Metro Manila, with all of your loving support, the videos, the digital materials, the stories that it will create, magagamit ko rin sa online. And when you use it online, exponential growth, exponential success. Bakit laging puno? Bakit laging madami? Kasi nag-focus tayo Metro Manila. Easily, we can do that within the next 3 to 4 months. So I tell you right now, within the next few months, bago matapos yung taon, marami pong mangyayaring kaganapan. New products, new countries, new promos. By the way, may promo pa rin tayo. June 7 to June 14. Buy 3, get 1 of our good supplements, cosmetic products, and lifestyle products. Buy 5, get 1 of our beverages. Every month may promo na sa reorder. Kung paano sa Easy OBI, every month may get 3, get 4, get 5. Sa reorder, may promo na rin. It's a mainstay. We want to give more, we want to give back. So that yung pagsabog ng grupo mo, mas mabilis na ngayon. Yung pagsabog ng income mo, mas madali na ngayon. Nararamdaman niyo ba na yung Bibo malapit na mag-daily lahat? Abangan niyo yan. When it finally happens, guys, I tell you, those people who quit, yung mga taong nawala sa atin at nanihirap, sasabihin nila, ay grabe, no, dumami uli kayo. Ay grabe, no, sabog uli kayo. Ay grabe, ang tanga ko, malis ako. They're gonna eat their words. And they're gonna say, how I wish hindi ako malis. Because this is the company where winners stay. This is the company where winners belong. Kaya yung katabi mo yan, yung mga katabi mo, winner yan. Sabihin mo sa katabi mo, winner ka! Winner tayo lahat! And this year will be the stories.
Winner ka!
Stories after stories of winners.
Winner ka!
Simply because we choose to believe. Ano ka man, saan ka man, may pinagdadaanan ka man, you choose to believe that you're a winner. Tonight, with my team, with my partners, I ask all of you to stand up.